to a new video. I woke up this morning, took a coffee, took a walk with Gucci Bell, and I felt like I wanna do an adventure alone. So I checked on Google, I wanted to see a waterfall, I checked those who were close to me, so I found one which is 20 minutes away. And now I've been walking 2.5 kilometers all the way down. I'm so happy that I was listening to my stomach feeling, because I would never want to drive here. I mean, look at the road, the view, it's amazing. So this waterfall is from the Guadalmina River in El Chorro Lakes. And
destinationen ligger till vänster.
What? Okay, where the fuck I'm going now? Oh, it's down there. Okay, so I have to climb down here. Okay, I'm so scared. There's people down there. So anyway, I felt like I need to see this. So I climbed down there and I was walking down here, and some people told me no, you can't go down there. So I have to go down here, and I'm scared. I'm so afraid of heights, I'm so afraid of falling, so okay, let's go. Amazing, like so worth the time. It took 20 minutes to go here from where I live, and it was like 30-minute walk and then some climbing in the end. But wow, the water is fucking perfect. I feel so fresh now, and now I have a long way back, but fucking wow, I love this place. I will definitely come back here. Woo! Nice day. Oh, I'm so glad I brought water, because I thought you could go by car all the way down, and you can almost, but the roads are very gnarly and I didn't want to take a chance if there wasn't a way to turn around or something. You never know in Spain. And rewind up on this hill, and I need to sit down a little bit in the shade, because my heart is like, and it's so warm, and I haven't eaten breakfast. I just took a smoothie this morning. I drank a smoothie, so I need to take some water. Oh my god. I love this, to hike, to go somewhere nice, and it's pretty difficult to go there. I mean, that's so nice, I love it. Nothing should be easy. And also, do you know what else I love? Is to challenge yourself with something you're not comfortable with. Like I do that with skating all the time, to do things you're kind of afraid of. And most of the people, they don't climb and go places like this alone. If something happens, I went alone and it was so nice. I'm so glad I did this. Like my whole day is like amazing because of this. Now it's like maybe 5 minutes more to the car, so let's go. I see the car finally.